Hey guys, what's up? I'm Christian Taylor, and today I'm going to be talking about how you should be aware of your personal data and how you can download it from online websites and companies. So first, I need to tell a backstory. Now you may notice in my description section, I usually include short URLs. These may be something like krayler.co/vlogs. Now to do these short URLs, I use a service called tr.im. The domain is tr.im. And tr.im is just a free service that lets me create short URLs using a domain of my choice. So I've been using tr.im for about 6 months now, and then the other day I just went to the website to create a short link and, well, it didn't load. So I thought, okay, that's a little bit strange, but I went to look for social media, maybe on Twitter. They said their site was down and it'll be back up soon, but they didn't have a Twitter. Okay. So I found their parent company on Twitter and there was no tweet about tr.im. So I thought, is it shutting down? I checked my inbox and there was never an email giving notice of a shutdown. Then hours later on that same day, the domain tr.im was being auctioned off. What? Yeah, they just packed up shop and bailed without telling anyone or giving you an option to download a table of your short links, what they were and where they led. So I basically lost hundreds of short links that I had created over a 6-month time span because they never gave me an option to download it. So that posed several questions for me about other companies I use and trust, and I wanted to share those with you so maybe you don't get burned in the same way I did. Number one, when choosing to go with any company, whether that's uploading videos to YouTube or having a social media account or anything of that nature, you need to be sure what their procedure is when they close down. Check their terms of service. Are they required to give you 60 days notice, 30 days notice, or do they not have to give you notice before they discontinue services? That's important to know, and I'm pretty sure there was nothing in tr.im's terms of service saying they were required to tell me before they shut down, and that's why I think they were just able to do that without any problem. Number two, always have a backup of your data. So in this case, I can't exactly make a backup of a short URL. However, if you're uploading to a media site like, say, Google Photos, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, make sure you have a backup of your data in case they were to ever go under or get hacked, or even just have a server that crashes. Don't be uploading your videos to YouTube or IGTV and just deleting them from your hard drive. Although those companies are huge and reputable, you never know what might happen and you want to make sure you have a backup. Now, again, for a big company like YouTube or Facebook, it's highly unlikely that you would have an issue, but do make sure you have a backup for any company, big or small. The third thing to know is before you choose a company, know how you can exit. Do they have a tool you can download all your data with? For example, Google, they let you go into your account section and download all your data, just get it all and leave. Same thing goes for Facebook and Instagram, but a lot of small companies aren't so generous or just haven't thought to implement such a feature. So make sure you know what you're getting into so you can store your data locally accordingly if necessary, especially if you cannot download your data from the website. Last but not least, the lesson I learned is to have a backup plan. Now for me, I did. I thought about hosting my short URL service on my own server from day one. So as soon as tr.im went down, I just pulled it off and went to my own server. So now I have control over everything. And basically know what your backup plan is. Think, if you're a YouTuber, if YouTube were to just go away one day, where would you go? Would it be IGTV or Vimeo, or perhaps it's another platform that isn't created yet? But be thinking, what is your backup plan just in case a service just falls off the face of the earth like tr.im did. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to share my interesting experience I had with that company and some of the things I learned from it, so maybe you don't get burned in the same way I did. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss when I release new videos. As always, please be sure to check out some of my other videos over there. And with that said, I'll catch you guys next time.